All right, I want to give you guys a rundown of these ARTISTRO dual tip markers, and if you stay around, I will show you them in action and how good they work. So I got these for some crafts around my house for my kids to use. I got the 24 pack, and I love that it has 2 tips. So this has so many perfect, wonderful colors, every color you need. So you have the round tip, which is just like dots or big circles, really thick. And then you have the fine tip, which is perfect for writing, for anything smaller. Great. They don't bleed, which is so awesome and helpful. When you're doing crafts, you don't want things to mess up. So I got these for fabric, but you can use them for ceramic, wood, paper, anything. Seriously, this pack has so many colors. I love that it has some metallic colors, like it has gold and silver, and then we've got pastels, and we've got like the bright primary colors. They're so easy for my kids to use. Like I said, they don't bleed. So I got them for a Father's Day craft. Look at how vibrant and good they look on this tie. So you can see that it didn't bleed at all. It just went right on, and it's not going to come off. So they did this with the fine tip. Isn't this so cute? And then that's with the thicker tip. So I'm going to show you it in action to show you how good it writes, and it doesn't bleed, and it's so vibrant, and it's so great. I'm really excited to have these and keep them around for all of our crafts. So it comes in lots of different packs, but I'm so pleased with this. So if you're looking for markers that are versatile and you can use for all sorts of things, this is a great brand, super affordable, and I'm so happy with them. So now I'm gonna show you them in action and show you how smooth they glide, how they don't bleed, how it just flows out, and it's easy to use. Okay, here we have all 24 colors. Really gives you every option, and I'm gonna draw on this wood and fabric to show you how good it looks. So I'm just gonna pick like this dark blue color. So show you how it doesn't bleed. It comes right out. On the fabric, it doesn't bleed at all, and it's really vibrant. Looks so good. So I'm really happy with them. They work great. The color comes out exactly as you would expect on wood, on fabric, anything you're using. So give these a try for your next craft day. Have them on hand for your kids. They're really versatile, and you can use them for everything.